That's incredible. And I still remember, I think it was 2019 when I did my first Lightning transaction.
Yep.
We were at the office and we were just like, how can we try it? And we started doing Lightning transactions between the people at the office. And when I did my transaction, it was called the Lightning Search in the office.
Yep.
And when I did my first transaction, I was like, is this true? Can it be possible that the transactions are so fast and so cheap? And it is. It is fully true. And I think we're going to spoil the customers. Once they start testing how it feels to transact on Lightning, it's hard to go back.
Absolutely.